What if I told you this small, ordinary bolt is the backbone of a billion-dollar industry? From the tallest skyscrapers to airplanes soaring across the globe, and even the chair you're sitting on, none of it exists without nuts, bolts, and screws. The global fasteners industry is massive, worth more than $90 billion every year. Factories producing these tiny parts run 24/7, generating fortunes from what seems like nothing more than metal pieces. Why so valuable? Because safety and durability depend on them. A single weak bolt can bring down a bridge or ground an airplane. Precision matters, and people pay for reliability. Even at home, a loose screw can break your chair, but a simple box of bolts can save you hundreds of dollars in repairs. Small things, big impact. So next time you see a tiny bolt or screw, remember, behind these small parts lies an industry worth billions. The question is, would you ever build a business from something this small?